How to get your transport account ready for year-end step by step. Is your year-end coming up and you have no idea where to even start? In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to have ready step by step, specifically for transport business. Hi, I'm Agnieszka. Most people call me Aga. I'm the founder of Mann Accounting Services, a cloud-based bookkeeping practice that works exclusively with transport, logistics, and freight businesses across the UK. I'm ACCA qualified, I hold CPC Transport Manager qualification, and I've spent over 10 years in corporate finance before starting this business, including several years working inside a freight forwarding company. So I'm not just a number person. I genuinely understand how your business works. And on this channel, I share practical, straight talking advice on bookkeeping, tax, finances, specifically for people running transport and haulage businesses in the UK. No jargon, no waffle, just the stuff you need to know. So if that sounds useful, hit subscribe and let's get into today's video. The very first thing your year-end accountant needs is a reconciled bank account. That means every transaction on your bank statement matches the transaction in your bookkeeping software. Nothing unexplained, nothing missing. If you're behind on this, start here. Work backwards from your most recent statement and get everything matched up. If you're on Xero or QuickBooks, your bank feeds does most of this automatically. You just need to review and confirm each transaction. Every job you've done this year needs an invoice. Go through your records and make sure every delivery, every contract, every job has been invoiced correctly. Check for any that were done but never invoiced. It happens more than you think, especially with the regular customers and accounts. Also, check your aged debtors. Who still owes you money? Your accountant will want to see this. For a transport business, this is the big one. You need records for fuel, ideally from your fuel card statement, vehicle maintenance and repairs, all receipts, insurance, annual premiums and any excess payments, hire purchase or lease payments on vehicles, driver wages, pay slips and RTI submissions for employed drivers, payment to subcontractor owner drivers, invoices received, tolls, parking, road tax, any equipment purchased during the year. If you've been keeping digital receipts, great. And if they are in a drawer, now is the time to sort them. If you're VAT registered, which most likely you are, because most transport businesses are, your year-end figures need to match your VAT returns. Pull up every VAT return that you filed this year and add the totals. They should match up the sales and purchases in your bookkeeping software. If they don't match, flag it now. It's much easier to fix before your accountant starts than halfway through the process. If you use self-employed owner drivers, your accountant will want to see your subcontractor invoices for the year. Make sure every payment to an owner driver has a corresponding invoice on file. This is important, not just for your accountant, but also because HMRC may ask how you're satisfied these individuals are genuinely self-employed. I cover driver employment status in full in a separate video on this channel. When you're ready to hand everything over, your accountant wants to receive reconciled bookkeeping file, Xero, QuickBooks, Sage, whatever you use, bank statements for the full year, all sales invoices, all purchase receipts and expense records, VAT return history, payroll records and RTS submissions for employed drivers, subcontractor invoices if you use owner drivers, and hire purchase and loan statements. The cleaner you hand this over, the faster they can do their job and the lower your accountancy bills, and they can be high. If any of this sounds like your situation, if your books are behind and your rent is looming, or you're just tired of it hanging over you, I'd love to have a quick call. Book a free 30-minute discovery consultation at masltd.net. The link is in the description below. No obligation, no sales pitch, just a straight conversation about where your books are right now and where I can help. If this video was useful, please give it a like. It helps other transport business owners find it. Hit subscribe for a new video every week, and I will see you in the next one.